Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making chicken tikka with bell peppers and onions. Here I made a paste of 8 garlic and 7 green chilies and added some lemon and 3 tablespoons of tikka masala and 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and add to the chicken and marinate it for 30 minutes. Cover the chicken and leave it for 30 minutes on the side. Here after 30 minutes I took 3 tablespoons of oil and add the whole chicken. Here you see the chicken has some water in it. Let it dry and mix it well for about 5 to 6 minutes. Here my water got evaporated and you can see the oil is there, and add green bell peppers cut into 1 inch and red onions cut into 1 inch as well, and some green chilies, and mix it well. Add cilantro and it's ready to eat. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.